Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to discuss about isin function or method in a PySpark. So using the isin method, so we are going to filter the data based on certain condition. So before that, let's see what is this. So we have a address table. Address table contains the multiple columns. Okay. From this address table, we are going to create the data frame. The data frame name is address df. So let's see the data what is there inside the address df. So address underscore df dot show. It will display the total rows as well as the columns from a table. So this table contains order id, customer id, and so on. Let's say status column and payment method column as well. So from this, right, we are going to filter the data to get only a pending and cancelled orders. So we have the cancelled orders as well in this table. So that is our business use case. Let me add the new code in the below cell. Click on three dot, insert cell below. Okay, now here orders underscore df dot filter. Inside the filter again we have to call orders df dot status column isin. Okay, here in this double quotes we can provide pending comma cancelled, and in the end call dot show. So here we are filtering the data to get a status of pending and cancelled orders only. We don't require other orders. So let me click on this run cell. So now in the output we can see only pending and cancelled orders. So this isin method, right, is an alternative to the or operator. Instead of keeping multiple or operators in our PySpark code, so we can easily replace that with the isin method. So that's how we can use this isin method to filter the data. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video. We'll catch you in the next video.